To auto use a feature wallpaper for home screen when work mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap web, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap home screen thumbnail, tap feature to see all wallpapers available under this section, and then select the feature wallpaper you like to use. Here you can see the preview of this wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap done button. By doing this, the selected feature wallpaper will automatically be used as your home screen wallpaper when the work mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.